texting with emojis. Well, guess what, girl? He's hashtag taken. So listen closely when I say your childish games won't scare me away. And I see the truth in your disguise. You ain't fooling this one. You're used to getting what you want. You ain't winning this one. The world will see you through my eyes. One last thing I must clarify: you're not Little Miss Perfect, perfect. Little Miss Perfect, perfect. Little Miss Perfect, perfect. No, girl, you've got this way about you, acting dumb like you have no clue. Well, you know what you did, and I know what you did.